Hello, my name is Anthony Brown. I work here at Riot. I am the IT director. I also take care of the minor maintenance department, and I also work in the R&D department. I'm really big into aviation. I like RC airplanes, I like actual airplanes, I like drones, skateboarding, martial arts, weightlifting. Yeah, cosplay. I'm a big nerd. Anime, video games. I guess weird hobbies is my thing. For my past employers, it would be I was the technology guy at the company. Over here, I have people who are working in so many different facets, people that are actually interested in what they're doing. It's not just a job for the people that I'm around with. So you can tell people are passionate, it makes me passionate. So every day I come to work, if I got a new project, I'm happy about it. So a lot of my hobbies require soldering, technology. It requires networking for a lot of the stuff that I do. It requires a lot of programming that translates directly to this job. So the job makes me happy. I go home and work on my hobbies. They make me happy. It just kind of just meshes itself together. So it's I don't know. It's very simple for me to come to work. Yeah, it's just my life is my hobbies is my work. It's all the same. I feel like I'm making a difference. This is huge for me. Never in my life have I worked a place where I felt like what I'm doing matters, ever. Before in multiple industries, you're just making things happen. You're just working in tech, just doing whatever. Here, I feel like I'm actually planning things for what's gonna happen in the next 100, 200 years. People in the future, they may not know who I am, but hell, I'll have something to do with it, you know?